Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Automates Komatsu D575A is a beast that doesn't just move dirt, it redefines what's possible in earth building. Built to conquer the most brutal terrains and massive projects, the 2008 Komatsu D575A Superdozer stands as the largest production bulldozer in the world. Just imagine standing next to it with its blade towers over you, measuring a staggering 24 feet wide and 11 feet tall, capable of pushing over 90 cubic yards of material in one pass. This isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a symbol of industrial dominance, powered by a roaring 12-cylinder, 1,150 horsepower diesel engine. This machine was never designed for your average construction site. No, this behemoth lives in coal mines, heavy-duty excavation zones, and large-scale infrastructure projects where smaller dozers just can't keep up. From the first time you hear it start up, there's a deep rumble that tells you this isn't ordinary equipment. It's raw, it's powerful, and it means business. The 2008 version brought refinements over earlier models, improving both performance and operator comfort, which, believe it or not, is a serious concern when you're spending 10 hours a day steering a metal monster that weighs nearly 300,000 pounds. The transmission system is a high-capacity planetary gear setup designed for massive torque output and longevity under extreme stress. It features a hydrostatic steering system, which gives the operator incredibly precise control for such a massive machine. In the cab, Komatsu didn't skimp on comfort. Even back in 2008, the D575A came equipped with an air-suspended seat, ergonomic controls, and sound insulation to make sure the operator could manage such power without exhaustion. For maintenance crews, the design offers modular components, meaning parts like the powertrain and hydraulics can be swapped more easily than you'd expect on a machine of this size. And let's talk about the blade, the real star of the show. The D575A's Superdozer blade has a capacity of up to 69 cubic meters in the standard version, and even more in the optional coal blade configuration. That's enough to move more material in one push than most mid-sized dozers do in 10. The ripper on the back is equally aggressive, capable of tearing through compacted rock and permafrost like it's nothing. Watching the D575A at work is like seeing a skyscraper come alive. You see it crawling forward with surprising smoothness, its blade chewing into the earth and carving out enormous volumes of soil. It can flatten a hill, fill a valley, or prep a site for a highway in hours instead of days. If you've ever seen a time-lapse of one of these giants at work, it's jaw-dropping how quickly the landscape changes. But the D575A isn't just about brute strength, it's about smart engineering. Komatsu integrated advanced cooling systems to keep the massive engine running smoothly under extreme heat and stress. It's got reinforced undercarriages, high-capacity hydraulic systems, and pressure-lubricated final drives. Every bolt, every hose, every weld on this machine was designed to survive the worst conditions imaginable, from Arctic cold to desert heat. And while most bulldozers get delivered on a flatbed trailer, the D575A is so massive that it has to be disassembled into multiple pieces and reassembled on site. That's how big we're talking. In fact, the logistics of transporting and deploying a D575A is a full-on engineering task in itself, requiring cranes, trucks, and skilled technicians. But once it's together and operating, it's unstoppable. The fuel tank, a jaw-dropping 1,300 liters. That's not a typo. You don't fuel it up at your local gas station. This machine drinks diesel by the barrel, and it does so to fuel power that can reshape entire landscapes. In the world of heavy machinery enthusiasts, the D575A has reached almost mythical status. There are countless fan videos, scale models, and walkarounds dedicated just to showing off this beast. And for good reason. It's a machine that represents peak mechanical achievement. Komatsu only produced a limited number of these, mostly for mining operations in North America and Japan, which adds to their rarity and appeal. Seeing one in action is rare, but unforgettable. Whether it's ripping through clay in a strip mine or pushing overburden in a coal operation, the D575A doesn't hesitate. It was built to do the jobs that no other bulldozer could handle. And when you consider the economic CS, it's expensive to operate. But the time and manpower it saves more than justifies the cost on large-scale jobs. From a distance, it looks almost like a building on tracks. It dwarfs pickup trucks, excavators, and even other dozers. People stop to take pictures, construction workers gather to watch it move, and even seasoned operators get a little awestruck when they're near it. And that's because this isn't just a machine, it's a milestone in what humans can build when they push the limits. As of today, the 2008 Komatsu D575A still remains undefeated in its category. No other production bulldozer has surpassed its size or power, and even though it's over a decade old, it still outperforms many newer models simply due to its unmatched capacity and reliability. It's a testament to Komatsu's engineering vision that a machine built in 2008 can still be the king of the hill in 2025. And let's not forget the legacy it leaves. The D575A helped shape some of the biggest infrastructure and mining projects in modern history. Every ton of earth it moved, every road it helped prepare, every load of overburden it pushed, it all adds up to a legacy carved in dirt and steel. If you're into heavy machinery, this is the dream machine. It's the poster on the wall, the goal, the grail. And if you ever get the chance to see one in real life, don't miss it. Because the Komatsu D575A isn't just a dozer, it's an icon. Thanks for watching, and if you want more amazing content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next machine spotlight. Let us know in the comments which heavy machine you want us to cover next. Until then, stay strong, stay curious, and keep digging.